Welcome to Make Life Smart. Next-level inventions earned that description not by being flashy, but by solving something real in a way nothing before them managed. One invention today is a portable mobility device from Japan that carries you from room to room in your bag. Another is a solar-powered inflatable electric boat that runs entirely on sunlight. One is a humanoid robot that cooks, cleans, and creates at a speed that makes you reconsider what robots are actually capable of. 10 inventions that actually matter. Let's get into it. Number 1. The most versatile off-road vehicle, and the DTV Shredder fits no existing category because no existing category was built for it. The DTV Shredder is a dual-tracked personal off-road vehicle that the rider stands on, two independent tracks driven separately for steering, a low center of gravity that handles steep terrain without tipping, and a surface footprint that traverses terrain that wheels sink into and legs struggle across. The versatility claim is earned across terrain types that other personal off-road vehicles treat as separate use cases. Sand, mud, snow, steep hillsides, and the mixed terrain that real outdoor environments present are all handled by the same tracked platform without equipment changes or setup adjustments. The riding experience is unlike anything wheeled. The tracks grip surfaces that cause wheels to spin out, and the independent drive steering creates a turning feel that handles tight spaces in terrain where turning radius usually determines whether you can proceed. Dual-tracked, stands-up riding, handles any terrain, the off-road vehicle that invents its own category. Number 2. The world's first AI-powered portable swimjet, and portable changes everything about where serious swim training happens. The iGarden SwimJet X is a swimjet system that creates a continuous current for swimmers to train against, deployed into any pool rather than requiring a permanent installation, making endless pool training possible in a hotel pool, a home pool, a training facility, or anywhere a pool exists and a swimmer wants to train seriously. The AI component manages current speed and pattern based on the swimmer's performance, adjusting intensity to maintain the challenge at the right level rather than setting a fixed speed that becomes too easy or too difficult as a session progresses. Portable, AI-adjusted current. Any pool becomes an endless pool. Serious training anywhere. Number 3. Portable mobility from Japan. And WALKCAR 2 is the personal mobility device that disappears into your bag between destinations. The WALKCAR 2 is a compact electric mobility board from Japan that carries you between the distances that are too far to walk comfortably and too short to justify any other vehicle. The last mile and within building distances that constitute a surprising amount of the friction in urban daily movement. The form factor is genuinely bag-sized. Slide it out, step on, go, arrive, slide it back into your bag. The transition from walking to riding and back requires no more than stepping on or off a surface the size of a laptop, which means the device integrates into a walking day rather than replacing it with a different mode that requires its own infrastructure. Bag-sized, step on and go, integrates into your walking day, the mobility device that goes everywhere. Number 4. A next-gen humanoid robot that cooks, cleans, and creates at speeds that challenge the assumption that robots are slow. The Astribot S1 is a humanoid robot with manipulation speed and dexterity that sets a new benchmark for what domestic humanoid robots can physically do, moving its arms at speeds that approach human dexterity for fine tasks and completing task sequences at a pace that makes the S1 genuinely useful rather than impressively slow. The cooking, cleaning, and creative task capability isn't a demonstration. The S1 performs these tasks in real domestic environments with the object handling flexibility that varied household items require. Different containers, different weights, different surface textures, different positions. The manipulation AI adapts rather than requiring controlled conditions. The speed achievement is the headline. Previous humanoid robots performed domestic tasks at speeds that made the demonstration more compelling than the utility. The S1 changed that reference point significantly. Fast manipulation, real domestic tasks, object flexibility. The humanoid that's actually quick enough to be useful. Number 5. An electric flying vehicle that takes the eVTOL category seriously, and Bellwether is building for the routes that need it most. The Bellwether eVTOL is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for the regional and short-haul routes where the combination of speed, infrastructure-free operation, and electric economics creates a genuinely competitive alternative to ground transport and conventional aviation. The design targets the practical requirements of commercial eVTOL operation: range sufficient for meaningful route coverage, passenger capacity for genuine air taxi use cases, and the certification pathway that moves the vehicle from promising prototype to revenue-generating aircraft on a timeline that reflects engineering reality rather than aspirational optimism. The electric powertrain's operating cost advantage over combustion aviation compounds significantly over the flight hours that commercial operations accumulate, making the economics of Bellwether's routes improve progressively compared to the fuel-dependent alternatives they compete with. Commercial route design, realistic certification pathway, electric operating economics. The eVTOL built for actual service. Number 6. A solar-powered inflatable electric boat and solar-powered on water means the sun fuels the entire journey. The GoSun Elcat Splash is an inflatable catamaran with solar panels integrated into the deck surface, generating the electric power that drives the motor from the same sunlight that's illuminating the water around it, creating a boat that runs indefinitely in adequate sunlight conditions without any fuel or shoreside charging. The inflatable construction makes the Elcat Splash genuinely portable. Deflated and packed, it travels in a bag rather than requiring a trailer, a slip, or the logistics that conventional small watercraft demand. Inflate at the water's edge, deploy the solar panels, and you're on the water from wherever you drove. The electric motor operation is near silent, the kind of quiet that changes what being on water feels like, where the only sounds are the environment rather than a combustion engine competing with it. Solar-powered, inflatable portable, silent electric motor, the boat that runs on sunlight. Number 7. A deluxe home cinema and Hisense's Laser TV fills your wall without a projector screen, a dark room, or a complicated setup. The Hisense L9Q is an ultra-short-throw laser projector that sits inches from the wall and throws a picture measuring up to 120 inches or more diagonally, turning any wall into a cinema-scale display without the room darkening, screen mounting, and ceiling projector infrastructure that large-screen viewing previously required. The laser light source delivers brightness levels that maintain picture quality in ambient light, the limitation that stopped projectors from competing with large televisions for living room use in most households. The L9Q clears that bar with the kind of brightness that holds up during daytime viewing. The Dolby Atmos audio and smart TV platform built into the L9Q complete the home cinema package. Everything from display to sound system to streaming platform in one premium device that sits on a TV unit rather than hanging from a ceiling. Ultra short throw, ambient light capable, Dolby Atmos, the wall-size cinema that lives in your living room.
Number 8. A jet boat for water racing and water sports. Compact enough to trailer behind any car, fast enough to be genuinely exciting. The Hoverstar mini jet boat is a compact performance watercraft that delivers jet propulsion water racing capability in a hull small enough to trail without a dedicated tow vehicle, making performance boat ownership accessible without the marina, the large trailer, and the tow vehicle that full-size performance boats require. The jet propulsion system provides the thrust-to-weight ratio that makes the mini jet boat exciting at water sports speeds, responsive, immediately powerful, and without the exposed propeller that limits where conventional motorboats can be operated safely around swimmers in shallow water. The compact hull handles the kind of close-quarters water racing and maneuvering that larger boats physically can't perform: turning radius, acceleration from stopped, and the nimble responsiveness that makes water sports genuinely competitive. Jet-propelled, compact hull, full-size performance, the racing boat that trailers behind your car. Number 9. A digital notebook from Montblanc, and Montblanc brought their craftsmanship to the category that needed it most. The Montblanc digital paper is a writing device that captures handwritten notes on an e-ink surface and converts them to digital text, with the writing experience of a premium paper notebook and the organizational capability of a digital platform. The Montblanc approach to a product category that has existed for several years is about quality of experience. The writing feel, the materials, the weight and balance of the device in the hand, and the aesthetic that makes you want to use it every day rather than leaving it on the desk next to the notebook it was supposed to replace. The digital platform integration handles the organization, search, and sharing that makes digital notes more useful than paper ones, while the handwriting-first interface maintains the thinking-through-writing relationship that many people find essential to how they actually process and remember information. Writing quality first. Montblanc materials, digital organization, the notebook that earns daily use. Number 10. The land aircraft carrier and XPENG AEROHT solved the flying car problem by separating the land vehicle and the aircraft entirely. The XPENG AEROHT is a 6-wheeled off-road mothership vehicle that carries and deploys a separate eVTOL flying module, solving the flying car compromise problem by building 2 specialized vehicles that excel at their respective environments rather than one vehicle that compromises on both. The land carrier reaches remote locations that roads don't serve, crossing terrain that conventional vehicles can't navigate, bringing the flying module to the point from which air travel makes the most sense. The eVTOL then deploys for the aerial portion, operates independently, and returns to the carrier. The system solves the infrastructure problem that limits most flying car concepts. You don't need an airport, a helipad, or prepared landing infrastructure at either end. The land carrier is the infrastructure, bringing the capability to wherever the journey begins. Land carrier plus eVTOL, remote access plus air travel, no airport needed. The flying car system that works. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.